Hi everyone, my name is Jordan and I'm a customer success manager here at GoLinks. Today I wanted to show you how you can use our integration with Confluence. So if you're on the dashboard and you want to integrate it, you can go over to the left where it says integrations. It will give you a drop down of our current app integrations. You can come down here to Confluence and add it if it has not already been added. What the Confluence integration does makes it so that way you can use GoLinks within Confluence pages. They will become clickable links when you use them in the description as well as the comments. And then when you publish new Confluence pages, whatever you name that Confluence page will also have a corresponding GoLink that is auto-created for that doc. So I want to show you a live example. I have a new Confluence page here, and I want to title this Q3 Roadmap Planning. All right, I have labeled my doc. I'm going to add some information. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit publish, make sure that access is available how I want it. When I hit publish, it automatically creates that Confluence doc. When I refresh it, I will see that that Go link that I've included is now a clickable link, which means that I can click on it and it will take me to that document where I need to go. As well as now that I have created that Confluence page, it has automatically created a Go link for me. So if I come onto my dashboard and I filter under the New tab, you will see down here that that Go link was automatically created based off of what I named that Confluence doc. This is really helpful if you want to save time and you're constantly in Confluence. Makes it so that way you can use Go links within the doc, within the comments, the description, as well as it will automatically create a Go link for you so that way you can get to your resources faster.